Tick-Tock, energy, time to focus. The clock is ticking and it's time to harness your productivity. Ever feel like you're drowning in to-dos? The endless list of tasks can be overwhelming, making it hard to know where to start. You're not alone. We all crave focus and productivity. In today's fast paced world, staying on top of everything can seem impossible. That's where the Pomodoro Technique swoops in like a superhero. This time management method is designed to help you stay focused and productive. This simple yet powerful method can transform your workday. By breaking your work into intervals, you can maintain high levels of concentration. We'll unpack the what, why, and how. What is the Pomodoro Technique? Why does it work so well? And how can you implement it in your daily routine? Get ready to conquer your to do list and reclaim your time. Imagine the satisfaction of checking off each task one by one. Ready to dive in? Let's go. With the Pomodoro Technique, decidi ce mecanismo come chairs, at the Pomodoro, you'll be equipped to tackle any task with confidence and efficiency. Ready, set, Pomodoro? Are you ready to transform the way you work and boost your productivity? The Pomodoro Technique is like a game for your brain. First, choose a task that you want to accomplish. It could be anything from writing an essay to cleaning your room. Set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, work with laser focus. Eliminate all distractions and give your full attention to the task at hand. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. Use this time to relax, stretch, or grab a quick snack. It's important to give your brain a rest. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then enjoy a longer 15 to 20-minute break. This longer break helps you recharge and prepare for the next round of focused work. That's it. Simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. This technique is incredibly effective. By breaking your work into manageable chunks and taking regular breaks, you can maintain high levels of productivity without feeling overwhelmed. Give it a try and see how it can change your work habits for the better. Work smarter, not harder. It's a mantra that can transform the way you approach your tasks and responsibilities. Imagine this: you're writing a report, the deadline looms, you feel overwhelmed, the pressure is mounting, and you can feel the stress building up. Instead of panicking, you set your Pomodoro timer. This simple tool can be a game changer in managing your time and productivity. For the next 25 minutes, your only focus is writing. No distractions, no checking emails, just pure, uninterrupted work. This method helps you dive deep into your task, making the most of your time. The timer rings. Time for a 5-minute break. These short breaks are crucial for maintaining your productivity and mental clarity. Stretch, grab a drink, or chat with a colleague. Feel the difference? These activities might seem trivial, but they help reset your mind and body. Short bursts of focused work, followed by short breaks, keep your mind fresh and engaged. This cycle of work and rest can significantly enhance your efficiency and overall well being. Planning your tasks in advance and breaking them into manageable chunks can also help. By setting clear goals and deadlines, you can stay on track and avoid last minute rushes. Utilize productivity apps and tools to keep yourself organized. These can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Celebrate your small victories. Each completed task is a step towards your larger goal. Recognizing your achievements can boost your morale and keep you motivated. By working smarter, not harder, you can achieve more in less time, reduce stress, and enjoy a better work life balance. So start implementing these strategies today and see the difference for yourself. Unlock your potential. Pomodoro Benefits. The Pomodoro Technique is more than just a time management tool. It's about working with your natural rhythms, not against them. Benefits include increased focus and concentration, reduced procrastination and overwhelm, improved time management skills, and enhanced productivity and efficiency. Ready to unlock your peak performance? Give the Pomodoro Technique a try. Join the Pomodoro Revolution. So, are you ready to ditch distractions and embrace focused work? The Pomodoro Technique is your secret weapon. Start small, experiment, find what works for you, and watch your productivity soar. What are you waiting for? Get your timer ready and let's do this.